Right, so it's been some time since I've been fishing. It is winter, but it's a good 21 degrees out, and we know winter fishing can be slightly more tough. But yeah, let's give it a go. What are you fishing, boy?
I'm fishing dinger.
Forktail.
Dinger.
Right. I'm just using a bit of search bait for now until I change up to plastics, maybe a jerk bait. In. Yo ho ho ho. Fuck, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. I'm gonna have to get down here. That's a big fish. Please don't break off, baby. Don't break off. Please don't break off.
I just ran all the way to the left.
God damn.
You just got the fun.
Dang, that's a big fish.
I just ran all this way with the net.
Hold it quick. Oh, what a beaut. I don't know if that's close on the 3. Nah, that's about a 2.627. I don't have my bloody scale. Thanks, girl. Ah.
Keep the line tight.
Okay, just don't stand on your rod behind you, eh?
Get him.
Want to see where he is?
Yes!
What was that? A rock.
Yeah, rock. I was about to.
What's your rod? Give some line.
And I got stumped.
Give some
Not
line.
even choking. Stumped.
Okay.
Sit there.
Ah, but I saw you set the hook and my bloody camera wasn't on. Hey, on the little creature.
What a monster.
Good job. And he slammed it, eh?
Stumped.
Good job. Nice. Okay, let's put it back. Morning.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Good. Young man, you gonna catch something today?
How you doing?
No, I think you.
Good, thanks.
Good.
He just caught one now.
Is it? Quite a biggish one.
Maybe a kilo.
Oh, I caught a big one down there at the bottom.
Is that so?
About 10 minutes ago, yeah.
Oh,
Close on the 3.
is it?
Close on the 3, yeah.
What's it?
So go ahead, boy, and I'll cast from behind you. Or do you want to go ahead, yeah? Huh? Because if I catch behind you, then you know the spinnerbait's on.
I'll bring them to the surface and then you.
You get them angry and then I'll set the hook. I've still got a feeling that corner, now that the water's up. Yeah. It's a bay, so. In. Gabs. Gabriel. Yeah, well, he's not coming up, eh? No, it might be okay. Oh, another good one. Another good fish. You want net? Hey? You want net? Okay, go in, get down. I had to loosen my drag, bro, because they were rocking. Good boy. Spinnerbait day it is, eh?
And my dad grabbed me by my under.
Spinnerbait day it is. Oh, another solid fish. Okay, let's take a picture quick. They solid fish, eh? By the drum.
Yeah.
Oi, in. Well, he's not coming up. Oh, oh. Not yet. Okay, boy, you're gonna have to come here.
Okay. Okay.
Check where he comes, boy. He's coming that side. Just hold on. Don't put it in yet. Not yet. I need to see him. I need to see him. Okay, put him. Now, get the net in. Not over the top. No, you've twisted the line. Not over the top. Under. Yes. Arr.
Sorry.
Don't go over the top. You come from under. Okay, go that way. Don't bail. Yesterday. Can't even hold it properly. Yesterday, can't hold it. I have to use two hands.
Yeah, that's got a gut one.
Okay, take photos, please.
This is 500 on the top.
So it's a 3. 2.9 or 3. What is it?
3.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I was expecting 4 kg.
I'm not even gonna get it in the camera.
Just hold him with his gut towards me. Okay, sideways.
Wait, look at it.
You need to turn him more towards me. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's a tank.
Yeah, but you see it didn't come up, eh? Yeah, that thing didn't want to come up, and I knew.
You're just fishing along the bank.
Right off that dark line you see off the rocks. Oh, there.
Tank, but you're killing me.
Okay, just hold on now. Remember, under, eh?
Yeah.
Under.
Yeah, get it out.
Go.
I can't get it out.
Told you this corner.
Look, mate.
Give me your hand. Oh, that's a 5.
Get under him.
Yes!
That's a 4.5, maybe 5.
Get the net.
It's gonna break the net. I told you this corner.
Holy crap.
You bastard. Yeah, give me that. You! Look at that!
Check him a shaky.
I threw my rod.
Where's the scale, like?
Holy shot.
Holy crap. Holy crap.
Well done. PB on, you've been sitting on for how many years?
Forever.
That's a
Look at the
beast.
cat.
That's a beast. Okay,
Yeah,
let me just-
photo.
What's the rod?
Yeah.
that is a beast.
Let me get your phone. Yeah, there.
Woo, even I'm shaking.
I'm gonna
Okay, you go down, give me your arm, and then just go down, yeah. Okay, you go, just go down there.
just hold it back. Moves.
Yeah, I've got it.
Okay, your dad's good, Out of the way, dumbass.
No flipping way.
Woo!
Oh.
I told you, I had a feeling about this corner. And there, my brother's in again. Another good fish. Another good fish. Let's get there. Another good solid. No, we don't need to weigh that one. That's a good fish again, eh? On the plastic.
On the plastic.
That's easy.
Nice, on a creature.
Hang on, put it.
Yes, now what's that? First cast. Your dad's in again, boy. Your dad's in again. You need me there or? Spinnerbait. It's another good fish. Oh, another good one. Yo,
I'm actually gonna pressure off.
told you. Where's your spinnerbait rod? Yeah, there it is there. Spinnerbait's back on, boy. See, it had a little break. Spinnerbait bites back on. God damn, I can't walk 10 meters away and my brother's in again. This is ridiculous for winter. Another spinnerbait for the win. Well done. Don't have to go left and right so much.
Yeah.
I can't see.
Oh, he's putting hard.
Okay, just hold him nicely. Just got to see where he is. Nicely. Let him, if he's too much, let him go.
Here. Get him.
That's a good fish. And I just fished you, eh?
Yeah.
I just fished you. Ah, it's a nice fish.
Come here, boy. Come here.
Okay, just get here. Just get it off there.
Do you hear the fish?
Pretty fart.
Yeah.
Stand nice. Hold him sideways onto me. Up. Go like this.
Nice. Take a panel as well for me. Unless I just get up there when you're done.
This is massive.
And how many times did I throw here?
A lot.
It's exactly where, see, I enticed them to come here and then you just took it over. Hold it up again quick. Yo, look at the belly on that thing. They're eating well, yeah. Good job, boy.
Let me take the
Exactly where I was casting you, punk. And again. Nice. Yes, what you on now? 7. Yeah, another nice solid chunker.
He's catching really fish.
Very cool. You want a photo?
Yeah.
But you're catching
Right, so what can I say about a winter's day's fishing? It's been better than some of the summer's days fishing we've had. Caught a total of around 13, 14 fish. Average size being about 1.5 to 2.5 kg. I caught a 3 kg. My brother then went ahead and beat his 12-year-old PB by a kilo, catching a 3.8 kg. I stuck with what I said yesterday and I wanted to slow roll spinnerbaits in the morning, and spinnerbait seemed to be the feed for the day. What a great day.